In this video, we're going to take a quick look at localized symmetry. If you are working in any 3D application, typically when you are working with symmetry, you would want to work in world space where your symmetry plane is aligned perfectly at the origin of the grid for any given axis. Let me choose the body, and I can see this is applied in world space, but if I pick the bus, it remembers the symmetry that was applied to that object last. And so in this case, it's applied locally, and I want to show how you would go about doing that in 3D Coat. What I'm going to do is I will just reset symmetry for this object, and that's going to set it back to world space. So I'll check the x-axis. This would be the default setting, but we want to now change it to local space. Next, we want to pick from bounding box. This would be the easiest way to do it. We can change that if we need to the z-axis and so on. But what if your object is not perfectly symmetrical, or perhaps you want to set it at a diagonal angle? You could actually do that if you need. So what we would do is choose general case axis. With this option, 3D Coat would have you pick the first initial point of your symmetry plane, and then with pick 2, you would select the other point. And then you could adjust the rotation if you need. Another option is choosing global space and arbitrarily pick the center point of the axis. And that would be the center point. All right, and that's a quick look at applying local symmetry in 3D Coat. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.